am Harshub. I belong to a small town, Shamli, which is in Uttar Pradesh. I have done BCom honors in graduation, and after that, I switched to the course which provided by the Digital Vidya, digital marketing. In today's world, you know that every business going online from offline, and every business needs to go online. They want to do marketing in internet world, and I think it has a lot of scope in future also. So that's why I decided to switch to digital marketing. Digital Vidya provides lots of assignments in every like topic. In every topic, they provide separate assignments and like practical knowledge also. So, due to this reason, I decide to choose Digital Vidya. The journey was very good, and all the teachers are very cooperative. And due to joining the Digital Vidya, I have got very good knowledge in digital marketing.